Welcome to Mixed Media Portraits by Doris Charest. Portraits of adults made easy. What I do is I show you the basics of how to create a portrait, the basics of how a face is drawn, and then how to add paint and collage to that face. We learn how to do photo transfers of faces and add retro elements. And then we do a third photo transfer, but this time a photo transfer of a drawing. And we start adding finishing touches. There are all kinds of ways to create mixed media portraits, and I'll show you the things we'll learn. We will learn the basics of drawing features on a face. We will learn the basics of using line, using special tools like an acrylic pen of your choice. We will learn how to take a photocopy and turn it into a retro image by adding collage and paint and actually painting the photocopy. We will learn how to add basic collage elements and paint and mix it up to make the best effect you want to create for your painting. We will learn how to collage different elements and create two variations using one photocopy. And we're going to collage different elements on this surface and another surface. We're going to learn a lot of different techniques. We're going to learn about the materials we need. We're going to learn how to choose different collage elements to create the painting effect that you want. There's a lot of things we can do in this class. We learn all kinds of techniques. Most of all, we have fun. We're going to paint, we're going to collage, we're going to add different elements in there and create designs and tell a story. It's gonna be great fun. So join me in Mixed Media Portraits Made Easy by Doris Charest.